sisters, it is not true. This wave bar is like our eardrum. The two rubber ends of the wave bar are like our eardrum. When you listen to loud music, this is what can happen.
Okay, so this is what we're going to do now.
How you guys doing? Okay, so the pitch of a sound depends on the length of the sound wave. The longer the sound wave, the lower the pitch, and the shorter the sound wave, the higher the pitch. Does that make sense? Yeah. Okay, so instruments that are long like a tuba have a low pitch, and instruments that are short like a piccolo have a higher pitch. So an easy way to remember this is the 3 L's. Low frequency, low pitch, long wavelength. Okay, so here we have 4 different aluminum rods. Each one has a different length and a different width. We're going to demonstrate the first 3 ones for you now. Okay, here we have the 4th rod, which is longer and thicker. Do you think it's going to sing higher or lower? Lower. Okay, let's see. You were right, it's lower. Okay, so now we're going to make each rod sing really loud by binging it and then pulling down really fast with a lot of energy, and it's going to go really loud. Ready? Our turn.
Okay, thank you guys.
Okay, so as we mentioned earlier, the longer the wavelength, the lower the pitch, and the shorter the wavelength, the higher the pitch. Here we have these plastic tubes called boom whackers. We'll show you how the different lengths of these tubes have different pitches. The longer boom whackers have lower pitches, and the shorter boom whackers have higher pitches. We're now going to play a song for you. Can you guess the song?
What's the name of the song? The Lion Sleeps Tonight. Okay, we're going to do one more. This is our classical piece for the day. Okay, let's give him a hand.
Okay, I'm Kelsey. That's Amanda, Becca, Sheridan, and Addie, and we are the Sound Group.
Thank you guys. This is our chemical reaction group. This is where we blow up things and do our chemical changes.
How did everyone like those sound wave demonstrations? Okay, great. Our next 5 demonstrations are on chemical reactions. chemical reaction happens when you take two or more substances and you mix them together and you end up with an entirely new substance or substances. To demonstrate this, we have a flask here with a clear liquid inside. We're now going to mix this clear white solution into it, and a chemical reaction is about to take place. Watch carefully and don't blink.
Now we can actually time this to a specific time. These are pretty fast today. It's only 13 seconds. Okay, shake it. Hold it out there. Now don't blink.
This was a chemical reaction. We will now do this just one more time and turn it back and forth.
Okay, we're gonna do this one more time. Okay guys, we got plenty more to show you.
I hope you like that last one because we're moving on. This one will also deal with the color change, but we call it a traffic light reaction because it goes from yellow to red to green. We'll first shake it gently to turn it to red. We will now shake it vigorously to turn it green. I'll show you this one more time using meters. Remember, what's causing the colors to change is as the chemicals mix with the oxygen in the air.
This demonstration deals with fire. Anything that burns goes through a chemical reaction change. We're going to light 2 bottles to show you a chemical reaction through combustion.
Okay, let's have the house lights, please.
3, 2, 1. Another bottle. Three, 2, 1.
Okay. Our next demonstration deals with implosion. Does anybody know what that means? Well, I'll just tell you. It's basically an explosion that goes inwards instead of outwards. So we're going to be creating water using implosion in a very dramatic way. So I need you guys to do me a favor. When I tell you guys to, you need to cover your ears backwards like this. You need to cup them backwards like this, because then you won't damage your eardrums because it's going to be loud. So what we're going to be doing is we are filling this bottle of hydrogen gas, and once we light the bottle, then the hydrogen gas will burn off and you'll hear a whistle, and the oxygen will come in through a hole in the bottom, and once the ratio is exactly 2 parts hydrogen, 1 part oxygen,